Emergency calls happen in seconds. But understanding them, that takes minutes. And in an emergency, every second matters. Introducing AI-powered intelligence from Carbyne. Emergency call triage that thinks with you, not for you, in real time. High-risk incidents identified instantly. Resources prioritized automatically.
Me acaba de golpear un carro, necesito ayuda. El carro me acaba de golpear.
Okay, sir, hold on one moment. I don't speak Spanish.
Real-time translation and transcription in more than 35 languages. Breaking language barriers instantly with no third-party services required. Every community served, every language understood.
I need an ambulance. He's ice cold and he's diabetic.
AI-powered call summarization. Full context, instant clarity.
Dad, there's a truck that's dead and there's another car off in the ditch with people in it.
From call to CAD in seconds. Seamless handoffs. Zero information loss.
Concern tonight over the amount of non-emergency 911 calls that are being made in Escambia County. Emergency management says it's causing even more strain for an already short-staffed department.
Some people call 911 just to ask a question.
Admin Assist intelligently handles non-emergency calls, freeing your call takers for life-saving work. Less burnout, better outcomes. This isn't AI bolted on. It's intelligence built in. AI that augments human judgment. Faster decisions, better outcomes, more lives saved. Carbyne. Purpose-built for what matters most.